With a few clicks, you can get access to CapCut Pro for free, and you can get that on iOS, Android, and PC. All of this for free. But then, that is not the only thing I want to show you in this particular video. I also want to show you how you can make money online with this particular software, because you can actually get this software and then you make money with this software. Now, I know maybe that you just want to use it for your video editing, but what if you can actually make money online once you've gotten this particular software? All right, now I'm going to walk you through this. I'm going to show you people who are already doing what I want to show you here, and how you can do the exact same thing and get a better result. Two things in one video: how you can make money online in Nigeria or anywhere with this particular software, and how you can get this software. But before I get into all of that, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Link, and one of the things I do on this particular channel, the Grind Academy, is that I create videos that is basically centered around making money online. So if you're interested in making money online, be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon. Now, what that does is that when you've subscribed and I drop a video on how to make money online, you get notified before others, so that you get to put into action what I show you before others. If you've got questions, suggestions, and comments, please don't hesitate to drop it in the comment section. I will respond you as soon as I see your comments, your questions, and your opinions. Alright, so without further ado, guys, let's get into the main video. Now, over the past few days, I've seen people sell CapCut Pro on Facebook and on Instagram every day, and they're making money off doing it. Now, you can do the same thing or do better, and in this particular video, I'm going to show you how to do better. Now, if you look at my screen, you see that I am editing with CapCut, and it's a pro version of CapCut. And in this particular video, I'm going to show you how to get the CapCut Pro for free and how to make money online with it. People are already doing this, and you can do the same thing and do it better. Now, this is what they're doing. If you go on Facebook right now, you're going to see people who are advertising CapCut Pro. Now, this person, look at this person's advert. This advert says, enjoy lifetime access to CapCut Pro. And then he goes ahead to list the benefits you're going to get when you get access to CapCut Pro. Now, we all know that CapCut is actually selling their Pro version, right? And you don't want to spend that money, right? And these people are giving it to you for 1,000 naira. Imagine when you're supposed to buy it for 10,000 naira, right? Basically, that's 10,000 naira they're selling it basically, and you buy it for 1,000 naira from this person. Now, the next person is selling for how much? For 1,000 naira as well. This person is selling for 1,000 naira. Now, the next person is selling for 900 naira instead of 2,000 naira. He slashed the price to sell for 900 naira. Now, you can sell for more. You can sell for more, and I'm going to show you how you can sell for more and make more money than this person is right here. This person is selling for 3,000 naira instead of 9,009, which is what is sold by CapCut. It sells like 3,000 naira, and like I said, you can sell for more. You can sell for like 5,000 to 10,000 naira. I'm going to show you how. Now, the next person is selling for 1,000 naira, and the next person is selling for 2,000 naira. I think that is all for the adverts that I have here. So you've seen the adverts here, and you can create a better design more than them and then sell for more. But let me tell you what you're going to be doing. Now, if you sit back or if you go to YouTube and you search for how to edit videos with CapCut, you're going to see lots of videos. Now, YouTube is really, really underrated. Remember I said, I'm going to show you how you're going to make more money than this person's. YouTube is really, really underrated. YouTube is actually a university on its own. I call it Uni YouTube, right? So once you go to Uni YouTube, search for this particular keyword I said, how to edit videos with CapCut. Find videos, edit, and find things you could do. Learn stuff. If you don't know how to edit with CapCut, but if you're pro already, you can actually do what I'm going to say right now. So first of all, learn how to edit with CapCut. Learn the advanced features, how to edit pro things with CapCut, and then organize a class where you're going to teach people how to edit with CapCut, and then tell them that at the end of the class, or in the class, they're going to get access to CapCut Pro for free from you. So instead of charging 3,000 naira, 1,000 naira, now you're charging like 5,000 naira to teach them how to do video editing, which is a lot harder, right? But for you to make more money, you must put in the work. So you're already advanced, you're already good at video editing. Teach people how to edit video and then give it to them as a gift. You give them a gift, the gift is going to actually get them to join your class. You're teaching them video editing and you're teaching them how to edit videos, and then you also give them the Pro tool for free. So if you think that you don't want to actually get get stressed or teach how to edit videos, go ahead and sell them this with this kind of adverts, and then go on Facebook and run the particular adverts. Now, this is how you make money off the CapCut Pro that I'm going to give you. It's going to be important that I give you the software, because if you don't get the software, you won't be able to make money. You won't be able to even teach a course or sell the software. Now, I'm going to go to my screen and I'm going to show you how to get the software. But before I do that, guys, let me explain how all of this works. So before now, CapCut have been pushing out CapCut software, and they've been allowing all the premium features as they push it out. They've been allowing it for free, and we've been accessing it. We've gotten to the point where we did auto text, and also got to the point where we did remove background, and we've been doing a lot of stuff with CapCut, and we've been doing it with free until they started locking some features, and they started locking it in the newer versions. So what we're going to do is, we already have the older versions of CapCut. So it's a pro version, but it's the older version of CapCut where you have all of these features inside of it. So where you have all of the pro features inside of it. So we're going to download the older versions of CapCut, and then you install the older version of CapCut, and you can actually get all the features for free on CapCut Pro. Now, before you install, it's going to be very important that you uninstall the newer version. If you have the newer version installed, it's going to be important that you uninstall it before installing the old version, the older version. So uninstall it and then install the older version, which I'm going to show you right here. And once you install it, you're still going to be getting updates from CapCut, which is to update your CapCut account. All right. You're going to be tempted to click links. You're going to be tempted to click on updates. Don't click updates, because once you try to update it, you're going to get access to the newer version, which doesn't have the pro features. I hope this is understood. Now let me take you to my screen and let me show you all of it. Alright, so you're welcome to my screen, and you can see that this is CapCut PC, and I have all of the features of the CapCut Pro right here, and I'm going to show you how to download it. It's very easy. So we're going to have different websites where you can actually go to and download this CapCut. So we have different websites. I'm going to post a lot of them, because you can actually get to the point. The one I did one time, the one I was using one time, the website I was using one time, they took it down. I don't know if CapCut decided to take it down themselves. So I'm going to post, lots of them, so that you can actually, if one doesn't work, the next one is going to work. And there are different ones, one for PC, and we'll have another one for your Android, and I have another one for your iOS. So I'm going to walk you through that. I'm going to show you this. So if you go to your browser, we have this particular website right here. This is the name, and you can check it out, right? I'm going to drop a link to it. So this is CapCut for Windows. So we have CapCut for mobile. So now let's check the next ones here. We have this one here. We have lots of them. We have this one right here, right? Let me go back to the other one we showed earlier and show you guys stuff. So if you come over right here, if you scroll down, let's scroll down here. Let's scroll down. Yeah. So here you see that we have older versions of CapCut. We have the time of the release. We have the time of the release. We have the time of the release right here. So you can actually choose which one to download, but each of them contains the premium feature, right? So we're gonna check the next website. I opened it earlier, and this one here. This is CapCut. I think this one is just for mobile. I think it's just for mobile. So check it out if it's for mobile. I think it's for Android. Yeah, I think it's for Android, or it could be for Android or for PC, but you could check it out. So I'm gonna put the link to each of them. I'm gonna grade them. So this one is File Horse. So you can check it out. So it's for CapCut PC, and it also shows you different versions. So this is for PC. This is for PC. So it shows you different versions of the CapCut you can download, and all of this works very well. Remember the instructions I said you should follow. So the next one here is which I think this one is for Android, right? Oh, this is for Mac, right? This is for MacBook. So this particular one is for Mac, right? It's for Mac. So you can actually check it out. It's for Mac. It's from up to down. It's up to down. The website is up to down, and the last one is I think it's for iOS and for Android, so you can actually check it out. Oh, not it, not it, not it. So, but I'm going to put all of the link in the description. So all you have to do is go to this description section of this particular video and search for it. So having shown you this, guys, I'm going to see you guys in my next video. So right now it's going to be a peace out, but remember to hit the subscribe button, like, and share this video. Peace.